Welcome, everyone, to today's special episode where we dive into the exciting world of freelancing in 2023. If you're looking to make money online and explore a platform that's gaining popularity among beginners, you're in for a treat. We'll be talking about Legiit, a fantastic alternative to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. So, what exactly is Legiit, and why should beginners consider it as their go-to platform for freelancing in 2023? Let's break it down. Legiit is an online marketplace where freelancers and service providers offer their skills and expertise. It's known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward approach, making it ideal for newcomers. With a wide variety of services, Legiit caters to a vast range of freelancers, from graphic designers to content writers and everything in between. Now that we know what Legiit is, let's discuss why it's a great choice for beginners. Low competition compared to giants like Fiverr, Legiit has less competition, giving newcomers a better chance to stand out. Affordable, Legiit's fees are competitive, which means you get to keep more of your hard-earned money. Community support. The Legiit community is friendly and supportive, making it easier for beginners to network and learn. Now, let's explore how to kickstart your freelancing journey on Legiit. Sign up, create your Legiit account. It's simple and free. Profile setup. Complete your profile with a professional picture and a compelling bio. Service listings. List your services with clear descriptions and pricing. Make sure to showcase your skills. Success on Legiit, just like any other platform, requires effort and strategy. Here are some tips niche down, specialize in a specific area to stand out from the crowd. Quality over quantity. Focus on delivering top-notch work and building a solid reputation. Communication. Be prompt and clear in your communication with clients. Reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews. Positive feedback goes a long way. Let's wrap things up by discussing some common mistakes beginners should avoid. Underpricing. Don't sell yourself short. Charge what your skills are worth. Overcommitting. Be realistic about your workload. Don't take on too much at once. Neglecting marketing. Don't rely solely on the platform. Promote your services outside of Legiit to attract more clients. There you have it, folks. A beginner's guide to making money online in 2023 using Legiit. Remember, freelancing is all about persistence, dedication, and delivering quality work. Legiit can be your ideal launchpad into the world of freelancing. So, go ahead, sign up on Legiit, showcase your skills, and start your journey towards financial independence. Who knows, you might just be the next success story in the freelancing world. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck with your freelancing endeavors on Legiit. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.